Hey everybody, I'm back in my channel well after about 2 to 3 months, and from my background you can see that my place has been changed. Previously I used to live in Pune, but now I'm in New Delhi. My husband switched his job, and so I have to come to Delhi. And of course now we're experiencing summer. Nearly after 2 years, Pune has a moderate climate, and now really feeling hot and I'm feeling like the sun is saying me that the party has just started. Well, I was thinking to prepare a drink, that virgin mojito. It's very popular drink in summer and it's very easy to prepare. And but I was thinking that, then I had the second thought that why not share it with you. So let's start right away. Okay, so for the preparation of virgin mojito, in a glass I will first add, we need some peppermint, and to make the process easier I have this polo. It's very popular and very easily available. Everybody loves it, so I'm adding here 3 polos and a lime cut into pieces, small pieces. And now some mint leaves, 4 to 5 mint leaves, just crush it. Okay, and we need to crush it coarsely. Well, you'll get better results if you just grind or crush the polo or peppermint very nicely, and it will just get dissolved and it will give you a better taste. Alright, and now we will add some sugar syrups, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And just give it a gentle mix. Okay, now we'll add loads of ice because it's a summer drink and everyone prefers cold drink. Alright, and now we'll need soda, and I had Sprite in my home, so I'm using that. You can use soda, and if you want a black mojito you can use Pepsi or Coca-Cola that is black in color. Okay, now I'm adding this. And give it a mix. And that's all. Our virgin mojito has been prepared, and you can see it's looking just like one of those in the restaurants, and it will taste also the same. Do prepare it in your home, and if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and press the like button below. Share it with your friends and family, and if you want to give any feedback, do type in the comment section below. Until my next recipe, bye bye.